Portugal, the Not Just Sawdust workshop. I'm going to make a table, and it's going to be a rather big table, 2.50 meters long, 1 meter wide, and these are going to be the legs, and they're going to be like this and this, and then with a bracket in between here and here, so like an A. And I couldn't cut these on the miter saw, so I had to do it by hand mostly, but got it done. 6.5 degrees, and now it's time to figure out how to make the brackets in between so we get nice A-frames to put the top on. So, the A-frames are ready. Well, they're just put together without glue because there's still a bit of tweaking and things to do. But I can't put them together because I need to make another dovetail in here. Because normally you could like have a beam going through this horizontal layer and then have it come out there and put like a wedge in it, like on old-fashioned tables. But because there's going to be chairs on the ends of the table, I want this to be smooth so you don't have anything sticking out here. So I'm going to make 2 dovetails on the inside and then have that horizontal beam fit in there. That makes that the table never can go outside. And on top, of course, it's going to be mounted, you know, to the top plate, so it can't go anywhere. The only thing I have to figure out is having like a cross in the middle, or maybe I'm thinking about not making a cross, but just making like 2 diagonal beams to the bottom one, and then going up to here. So, and then the table can't rock anymore. But that's for the next video. I'm gonna take them apart again, make these dovetails here, and calculate the length of the horizontal beam on the bottom. So you'll see that in the next video. For now, I would say do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. It's an even better way to spend your time. And see you all in the next video. At the logo.